Hi Janine, this is Sally. I thought I'd kind of show you how I set up the in-class essay rubric for the Turnitin. Maybe it'll help. I'm also going to send you, I hope, the file that I exported from the rubric, and maybe you could just upload it, but I'll see how it goes. Okay, what you see here is my submission inbox for an essay that I have created in Turnitin.com through Moodle. And what I have found is that I have to make the rubric after somebody has submitted the essay. So I click on the essay and I open it, and I already have it opened here. And this is the page that we use to grade. The thing, it usually comes up on originality, but you need to put it on grade mark. And what you need to look at are these icons here at the bottom. There's one that says rubric. I think it shows up with a quick mark, but if you go to the rubric one, there's no rubric attached to this assignment, and so to do that you need to create one, and it's this little icon right here. So you click on that. The default is the 11th 12th grade argument rubric, so you don't have to use that. I've created a bunch of rubrics. These are the common ones that are shown. I didn't create these. These are default, I suppose. These are the ones that I've created, and I did some practicing. I don't know how to delete them, but I did some practicing with importing rubrics, and I was pretty successful with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You use this button over here, and there's an import button. So if you click on that, and then you can browse for a file. And I have this in-class essay. It's an RBC file. And when I click on that and click open, it shows up as one of my rubrics here. I just did that a few minutes ago, and it was one of these rubrics. I don't know which one it was. So I'm hoping that if I send that to you, then you won't have to recreate the rubric. But if you do have to create a rubric, it's fairly easy to do. You just go to this create new rubric, and you get this kind of blank thing. And I know that you said you didn't want to assign any points or percentages. Well, then you need to look down here and do the 0. And then all you do is just, it's like you're creating that rubric from scratch without any points. And when you attach it to the assignment, it won't assign points, but you can click on the criteria and the student can see. And it's fairly easy to do. All these are, like here, you can type in the title of the rubric. You have 3 columns if you need to add 4th. So if you're going to do the in-class essay, you type there, and I think we have grade ranges written there. The criterion, you can click there. I think the first one is summary. Click on the box. I think we have something about clearly articulates something, the assigned readings, whatever. I can't remember how it goes, but you fill in all of that, and then you go and save it. The thing that you have to be aware of is when you get it all filled out, I don't think it lets you edit it. I've never been able. I've always had to kind of recreate it, but it depends on whether or not you've attached it to your assignment. You always need to attach it, and you click here, and it attaches it to the assignment where you pulled it up. So I don't want to attach this one to my narrative essay that I had opened, but so when students upload, then you attach it to that assignment, then it makes it available for you. So when you go back to, I want to close, okay. So when I go back to here, if I attach it to this assignment, then it shows up, the rubric shows up there. So I'll show you, I've already graded these essays, but I have a narrative essay rubric right there. And this is what it looks like, and notice I don't have any points or anything. If I attach it to the assignment, I close it, so there it shows up. Now when I hover over each of these, it tells the different criteria, and I did put A, B, C, D, F, and it goes through. And then when I just click on the different things like that, it doesn't show anything and the grade doesn't show up, but the student, if they would hover over it, they would see what they've done well, that sort of stuff. So want to make sure that when students look at it that they have that possibility. And you can expand it, you can make it look bigger with another window if you need to look at it a little bit more closely, that sort of thing. You click on the different parts. So hopefully that helps you with that sort of thing. Another thing that you, when you want, I don't know how you eliminate a rubric, so you kind of want to make sure that you have everything done the way that you want, or you just create new rubrics is what I would suggest you do. I'm not sure what this does. You can detach it, and then it goes away and goes back to that. So I hope that that kind of helps you a little bit. Let me know if you need